Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you what Tunee AI is, how it works, and what you can actually create with it. Now, you might think AI already does everything, but tools like Tunee AI are pushing things even further. You can literally create songs and even videos just by typing a few words. So let's get started and see what this AI can really do. Once you're inside, you'll see that Tunee AI has a lot of features. As you can already see on the screen, you can create music in different styles like electro, R&B, pop, sci-fi, guitar, and many more. There are also specific categories like ad music, where you can create tracks for things like fragrance ads, fashion, or festive themes. And if you're a game developer, there's even game music, with styles like casual, epic, or menu music. On top of that, you can create videos like lip-sync clips, viral dancing clips, and even create your own AI artist that you can use in your content. So let's test it and create something. To start, you just type a short description of the music you want and click Start Cooking. Yes, that's literally what it's called. For this test, I'll type something simple like horror sound and see what happens. Now we get redirected to the Tunee AI chat, where the generation process begins. The AI asks what type of music we want, like creepy, dark, or something else. There's also an option to select all styles, which is what I'll choose. Then the creation starts. Usually, it takes a few minutes, and in this case it's generating multiple songs because I selected multiple styles. Alright, the songs are ready, so let's take a listen. Honestly, that's really impressive. I only typed 2 words, and it created full tracks based on that. You can also see there are more options, like downloading the song or getting a copyright certificate, but those features require a premium account. There are also options to generate lyrics, but the most interesting feature for me is creating a video from the song. So let's try that next. Here you can create a video clip up to 60 seconds long, which is pretty crazy. You can choose which part of the song you want to use and how long the clip should be. After that, you select a visual style. There are several options, and I'll go with a cinematic horror style. Now the AI starts working. First, it generates a storyboard for the video. Then it creates images for each scene. This can take a few minutes, so you just need to wait. Once the images are ready, you get the option to edit them or just continue. I'll go with Let's Roll and generate the final video. Now we wait again for the final render, which can take a few seconds to a minute depending on the video length. Alright, the video is finished, let's check it out. that actually looks really good. There was a small mistake in one of the scenes because I didn't change it in the storyboard, but even then, the result is still really impressive. If you take a bit more time and adjust everything carefully, you can get even better results. With just a few clicks, you can create a full 60-second video that looks cinematic and unique. So overall, Tunee AI is a really powerful tool, especially if you want to create music or videos without any experience. I feel like I've only shown about 10% of what Tunee AI can actually do, so if you're looking for a powerful AI tool, now might be the perfect time to try it yourself. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.